Hey, how's everyone doing? My name is Shannon Bumpus, aka sbumpfit, bringing you fitness, nutrition, and content where it lies anywhere in between. Today we're going to be doing something a little different because what I've ordered online has finally come in, and I'm sure a lot of you could use this tutorial right now if you're interested. So I haven't really been doing a lot of online shopping, but some of the things that I do need that I can't get at Walmart, that I can't get at the grocery store, I have to order online. Like any of my beauty products that I use, anything that I get from Ulta. As you know, Ulta has closed. I'm not sure if every single location in the country has closed, but I do know the Ulta near my house has. So today I'm going to be showing you how I wax my eyebrows. As you can see, if it focuses, come on, focus. Okay, as you can see, my eyebrows don't look the best right now. And then the only other thing I do is I don't get my nails done. I don't get eyelash extensions. I don't do anything like that, but I wax my eyebrows. Thankfully, I've been waxing my eyebrows for over 6 years now at home, and I haven't visited a salon or anything like that. So I'm going to show you exactly what product I use. It's nothing from Sally Hansen, so please don't ask. This isn't a Sally Hansen tutorial with that little crappy self-warming wax that you put in the microwave and it's just super messy. It never works. I've tried it. I can't stand it. Today what we're going to be using is the if you can see it, it's the Nads precision eyebrow wax wand. There's no heating up, there's no microwave, there's nothing. There's no stove, nothing. It's literally a wand. You twist it at the bottom. This green wax substance comes out. It washes away with warm water, so if you make a mistake, it's easy to fix it and correct it. So yeah, let's open it up. I'll show you all the contents. Before anything, wash your hands for 20 seconds. Sing happy birthday twice or whatever song you like for 20 seconds with soapy warm water. Anyways, you don't want to be touching your face if you just went out in public and came back home. So, all right, let's open it up. It's me opening up for the first time. I ordered this on April 24th and I just received it a day ago. So, hashtag COVID-19. Okay, so I'll show you what it comes with. This is the wand right here. Let's see if it'll focus. This is the wand right here. It comes with waxing strips. I think there's about 10. I'm not sure. 10, yep, 10 reusable strips. And then it comes with a little thank you card for choosing the company. And then it gives you 4 pre-wax cleansing wipes. Now you can wash your face before you wax. You don't have to, because doesn't matter if you wash it or not. I still recommend you use these. Although these are cleansing wipes, they leave this residue that makes your skin really, really dry, and it helps the wax, this wax kind of stick. So let's get to it. Hopefully I can show you everything in its entirety. Don't really have the counter space for the camera, and I don't have a big tripod that I can just set on the floor, so. Let's put these back in there. So I've got my strips, got my wand, and I've got 1 pre-wax cleansing wipe. So I'm going to put that over there. All right. So first step, take your little cleansing wipe, open it up. I'm in my workout attire because I just did a 3.5 mile walk with the pup. All right, I'm gonna unfold it. And now you can use the wax wand on your eyebrows and on your lips. I'm gonna do both because it's been weeks. No. Alright, it's really sudsy up in here. Okay. So I'm not sure if you can really see my eyebrow, but the hairs themselves have gotten really long. You don't have to do this step, but I'm going to since I have salon grade scissors. You can get them from Sally's. I'm not sure if I haven't really been to a Sally's. I've had these scissors literally for years. So yeah. So you can get some salon scissors like this, like these. And you can kind of, what I do is I take them up like this. And I just cut along the edges here to kind of just trim them. Set them up for whatever. Alright. I'm gonna watch myself in the mirror. Okay. See if I can capture it. Alright. Cut them. I also cut, ooh, this is like a really, there we go. This also helps me with what areas I do need to wax, if I need to wax anymore. Kind of just opens up that gateway. So I also started doing or waxing my own eyebrows just because, yeah, I got my eyes waxed for like the first time 6 years ago in a salon, and then the second time I went back, they messed up on my eyebrows, and I got really upset. Everyone makes mistakes, so I get it, but I figured, you know, if I taught myself how to do it and I make a mistake, I'd rather be mad at myself than mad at somebody else. So yeah, that's why I got into it. I'm going to put the wax on in the mirror and show you exactly where I applied it. I'll also rip it off on camera as well. So. Now we need this, and we need the wand. So, wrong way. So now we're going to twist it all the way up. You see the green, ooh, it's not really going here. Right, you see that green product. It's not focusing on the product. Come on. All right, you see that? See all that product coming out? All right, I'm gonna put that on where I want waxed. So give me one moment. All right. As you can see, this is where I put the green wax. So yeah. You don't have to heat the wax up or anything, like I've said before. So how this works is you put the strip on where you want to wax off. If I can get the strips out of the freaking package, that'd be great. And then you use the warmth of your fingertips to warm up the wax to individually grab the hairs to wax off. So we're gonna do that right now. I'm gonna do that. I'm also using like the mirror and the, Alright, so you'll see the wax right here. Just gonna keep using my fingers. Get it all nice and warmed up. I'm gonna grab it and kind of like smooth it out. Watch me make a mistake on camera. I mean, whatever, it is what it is. Alright, ready? So I'm gonna pull my skin this way, it's gonna look weird, and then I'm gonna rip in the opposite direction. Oh, perfect. Alright, so you can, I don't know if you can see that. Look at all that hair. And now, I had a lot of hair right here. I still kind of do. I missed a spot putting the wax on, so this is where I would get some tweezers and pluck those. Perfect, so now right here, all the hair that was right here is now gone. So, yeah. Perfect. All right, my advice to you is, like, I know I did kind of a big section to get out all that hair, but I would try doing it in small sections so there is no room for error. And if you see that the wax did clump on a group of hair that you don't want to be waxed off, just, you know, run your finger under some warm, probably on the more hot to warm side temperature-wise of water, and then just like take your finger and kind of mush the wax off of that clump of hair. This does easily remove with hot to warm water. So yeah, I'm going to finish the rest of my eyebrow and kind of just fast forward through it all. So give me 1 second, I'm gonna put the wax on and then here we go. Okay guys, this is the finished product. Let me see if I can just get up close. If you have sensitive skin like me, your skin is going to be red, just like it would be if you were to get your eyebrows waxed at a salon. I'm gonna do a before over here, just so you can see what and how hairy my eyebrows were. So yeah, my suggestion after this is, I didn't put any moisturizer on yet. I just kind of went over my eyebrows and my upper lip area with some warm water to get all the excess wax off, so you can just kind of see the final product here. So my suggestion is after when you're done and after when you smoothly and gently wipe away the wax with warm water, keep your face wet, and just go in with a nice gentle moisturizer, especially if you have sensitive skin like I do. And then yeah, for more hydration to the face, I would wait probably 2 days, and then I would just put a mask on. Just put a nice facial cleansing mask on for 30 minutes, take it off, wash it off, tone the face, moisturize the face, and yeah. I hope you liked this video. I hope that it inspires you to get something similar to this, or the Precision Eyebrow Wax Wand by Nads. This video is not sponsored by them, however, it'd be nice. Thank you so much for watching. If you want to see my daily daytime and nighttime face beauty routine, let me know in the comment section below. Please be sure to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. It really helps me out. Thankfully, I'm going to be uploading more because I'm able to go to a place now where I can use the internet, it's fast, and my video will be up within the day rather than waiting 2 to 3 days on the current internet service provider I have here at my house. So more videos will be coming soon. I hope that you enjoyed this video today. Hit the notification bell so you don't ever miss a video from me, and I'll see you in the next one.